This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Z85 Max smartwatch. First, carefully unbox your new Z85 Max smartwatch and ensure all accessories are present. Next, connect the magnetic charging cable and allow the device to charge completely, which usually takes around 2 hours. Once fully charged, press and hold the side button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds to power on your smartwatch. Finally, download the dedicated companion application from your smartphone's app store to begin the setup process. Now, let's get your smartwatch connected and personalized. Open the companion application on your smartphone and follow the simple on-screen prompts to pair your Z85 Max smartwatch using Bluetooth. Once connected, dive into the extensive watch face gallery within the app to choose and customize a display that suits your style. You can also fine-tune notification settings to ensure you receive important alerts right on your wrist, and set personal fitness goals like 10,000 steps daily. Navigating your Z85 Max smartwatch is intuitive and straightforward. From the watch face, swipe left or right to cycle through various widgets, such as your heart rate monitor, daily activity summary, and current weather. A downward swipe from the top edge reveals quick settings like brightness adjustment and do not disturb mode. Swiping up from the bottom displays your recent notifications. To access the full application menu, simply press the side button once, allowing you to select specific functions. Your Z85 Max smartwatch is a powerful health and fitness companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate using its advanced sensor, providing valuable insights into your cardiovascular health. The integrated pedometer accurately tracks your daily steps, distance covered, and calories burned, helping you stay active. Furthermore, it monitors your sleep patterns, distinguishing between deep and light sleep to help you understand and improve your rest quality. You can also select from over a dozen sports modes to record specific workout data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.